Hello, humans. Or shall I call you humans? Anyway, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to upgrade your laptop's hard disk drive to SSD, which is solid state drive. Yeah, I did my homework. Yeah. Some of you might be asking, what is SSD? Yeah, solid state drive. Yeah. So, hard disk drive. Basically, hard disk drive is a mechanical drive. Yeah, you see. So, after some time, due to the wear and tear, you know, most of the time it will crash. If you have some important stuff in the laptop, yeah, I suggest you do a backup. Yeah, but not in your hard disk drive. Yeah, please use other media devices such as external hard disk drive. Yeah, or maybe a flash drive. Yeah, USB stick, whatever. Yeah. So in this video, okay, I'm going to show you step by step on how to replace your laptop's hard disk drive. In this case, your laptop might not be the same as mine, but I believe the procedure is almost the same. Don't come and tell me, hey, yo, you say do this, do that, do this, do that. But it's not the same, yeah? So, before you do anything stupid, let me remind you, okay? Go ahead and Google up your laptop specs, yeah? In this case, I'm working on a, hold on, yeah? Let me get a good view. I'm working on a Dell Inspiron 14 3000 series, yeah? What do you need? Very simple, okay? You need tools to open your laptop, obviously, yeah? You need some tools, yeah? So go and grab your, in many cases, it's a Phillips screwdriver, yeah? So just grab one like this, just bought it like like $1 or $2, it's very cheap. Go to Daiso, go to Mr. DIY, they should have all these. Since I'm a cheapskate person, yeah, I don't mind buying this. It's very useful. And then you need to have this. What is this? Looks like a Wi-Fi dongle. No, it's not. I'm just kidding. I'm just joking with you. Okay. What is this? This is basically SATA to USB. Yeah. SATA to USB. Yeah. So what is SATA? I'm not so sure. Go and Google it out for yourself. What is USB? USB means Universal Serial Bus. I'm not so sure. Never seen any bus running on my laptop so far. I make stupid jokes like my wife said. Yeah, I deserve a beating for that. Anyway, SATA means serial. I'm not so sure. Serial something. Yeah. It will help. It will help me a lot if you can do your own googling. Yeah. Okay, so I bought this online, yeah. I will put the link in the description, yeah, where you can get this, one of these. You don't need drivers. It's plug and play. So, SATA to USB converter. And obviously, you don't need an SSD. In this case, I chose the Crucial MX 500. Yeah, it's a good solid state drive. So before you go and purchase your solid state drive, yeah, take a look. 2.5 inch, yeah. So most of the laptop use 2.5 inch SSDs, yeah. I never seen 3.5 inch SSD before, but 2.5 inch, yeah, SSD. And make sure your laptop supports the SSD. Some laptops have M2, or NVMe, so mine is just a SSD, yeah. So what is M2? What is a NVMe? Google is your best friend, buddy. Go and Google it out. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm so stupid, to explain all this to you. But anyway, just make sure you know what is your laptop's hard disk drive size is, yeah? Please, I beg you. And then here you can see the specs, yeah? The links for this product will be in the description as well, yeah? The link for the SSD. So you need this, you need this, and you need this. And a laptop, obviously, yeah? Okay. So let's get started, yes? So what do I need? Okay, do I need League of Legends? No, 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 boy. Okay, so I'll need a Crystal Dismark software. Yeah, Crystal Dismark and Crystal Disinfo and eases to do software. Okay, all these three software I'll place it in the link. Yeah, the description link. Yeah, you need these three software. And so without further ado, let's go into the Crystal Disk. Yeah, Crystal Dismark. Yeah, so this will show you, this software will show you the read and write speed of your current hard disk. Okay, so I will just click on the first one, yeah, sequential 1M, Q8T1, because that's the most common one, yeah, I think. I am not so sure about all these three, but I will only, to save up some time, I will only run the first one, yeah. So what is the read and what is the write speed, yeah, of the current disk? Okay, my hard disk is 1 TB, yeah, sorry, it's a 1 TB drive, but here as you can see, it's only 465 GB because I've I have another 500 GB unallocated space for this hard disk, yeah. I'll show you. See, it takes ages, just to do some multitasking, yeah. Okay, as you can see, read and write, it's very slow, yeah, 94 megabyte per second and 81, yeah, 82, yeah, 82 megabyte per second. Well, we have seen our disk read and write speed, so now we'll see the disk information itself, yeah. So the transfer mode and what is it, the interface is serial ATA, the rotation rate, the power on count, the power on hours. So this has gone through 4,987 hours. The disk temperature, the health status is still good, yeah. But this is my disk, yeah. See, as you can see the disk drive size is 1 GB, yeah, 1 GB, yeah. I mean, sorry, not 1 GB, it's 1 TB, which is equivalent to 1000 GB, yeah. So this is my disk information. So the next thing you need to do is to get a software, okay, a cloning software. So this will be on the link as well, yeah, the description link, yeah. So none of these require you to pay for it, yeah. So I'm using all these free softwares so that you can do this by yourself without any means of draining your pocket and so on, yeah. So here the software I'm going to use is Ease Us, yeah. I'm not so sure how to pronounce it because I'm very bad at pronunciation. To do backup free, so whenever you go to the downloads page, they ask you to try basic, premium, try for free. I'll just click on the free options, yeah. I don't go for the basic or premium options, because it's a waste of money, yeah. So just it's a waste of money if I don't know how to use the premium features, yeah. For me, what I need to do is very simple, is to clone my hard disk into my SSD, yeah. That's the thing. So if I can do that, without using extra or premium features, I'm more than happy, using this free software, yeah, instead of paying more. Yeah. So just double click on it. Okay. Open the software. And you can see there's this one, the system backup, and so on. So how do we connect this? Yeah. See, this is SATA connector. Yeah. SATA connector. This is your SSD. Yeah. So it's very simple, right? Just plug and play. Yeah. So when you are trying to connect, please be gentle and don't be gentle, yeah, when you connect and disconnect connectors. Yeah, you're not paying $1 or $2, you're paying like a few $100s for a good SSD. Yeah. Okay, so once you have connected this cable, plug this into your USB. Yeah, into any of your USB port. So once you have connected, okay, you should see another drive pop up on your computer. Yeah, this PC. So there you go. So as you can see, this is my SSD and this is my hard disk drive. Yeah, so maybe I need to reopen the software again, off and on, for it to detect my SSD. Yeah, so I'll go to clone again. Yeah, see, this is my hard disk drive and this is my SSD, USB. Yeah, USB. So we have connected our hard disk using USB. Yeah, so from SATA to USB. So my source is this, and I click next. This is my target. Yeah, this is my target. Yeah, and then I click next. So I will have the total cloning process done here. But in this case, I won't do it because I've already done it. So instead of clicking next, I'll click cancel. So now in my local disk E, I will see the installation files, Windows and so on. So because I already cloned this, yeah, so what I need to do is now safely eject the USB. Yeah, whatever software you have or whatever USB thumb drive, flash disk, whatever it is, just safely remove the hardware. Yeah, so eject my best USB device. So I will remove my hardware, and from here on we'll be focusing on how to open up the laptop and replace the replace the hard disk drive. Yeah, okay, bear on with me. So you need to power off, shut down, and then disconnect your AC adapter. Yeah, and proceed to disassemble your laptop. So the first thing to do, I will start by removing the batteries. Yeah, if your laptop has a removable battery, just remove it. Yeah, so once you have removed the battery, then the next thing is to remove all the screws. Yeah, in this case I already removed the screws, so I'm just showing you what needs to be done. So if you're not so sure, okay, let's see. If I remove my battery, yeah, and then there's a okay, There's a description here. Remove 3 screws under keyboard when disassembly. Yeah, see, very nice of them. Yeah, so there's 3 screws under the keyboard. Yeah, so what I'll do, I'll remove all the screws. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Yeah, 11 screws here. So, and then I'll go to the front, and it says there's 3 screws below the keyboard. So in my case, the keyboard just pops off. Yeah, so what I'll do, I'll just change this tape. See, that's one of the benefits of buying this type of screwdriver. Yeah, you see, there's so many tips that you can use. So I'll use the flat tape. Yeah, I suggest you use a plastic trim or something, a credit card, whatever it is. But since you know, I like to use this, but make sure you be careful. Do not exert too much of force. Yeah, else plastic is fragile. You'll just break it. So what I do, there's some tabs here. Yeah, so I will just push under the tab to lift it up. So once I've done that, I do that for the other side. Yeah. Then I will gently slide out the keyboard, and then there's a ribbon cable below. Yeah, just push the tab upwards and then disconnect. Yeah, the same goes to the ODD. This is optical disk drive. Just lift up the tab and disconnect the connector. Yeah, okay, there you go. So the 3 screws mentioned below the keyboard, it's here, here and here. See, 1 2 and 3. See, they even label that for you. See, hold on. Yeah, if I can show you, there you can see. They even have the screw dimensions there. Very nice of them. Wow, I really like them. Yeah, so once you have done that, just close back the display, and then you will just try out your laptop from underneath. Yeah, okay, so you'll just need to get a prying tool. Yeah, at this moment. Oh, sorry, before you disassemble. Yeah, okay, see, what does it say? Remove ODD. Yeah, sorry, you have to see it that way. Okay, can see, remove ODD. Yeah, so just need to push in order to remove the ODD. Yeah, so I'll push, and then you can see the ODD comes out. Yeah, so there you go. Okay, your ODD is out. Always store your items, in a safe place. Yeah, do not damage them. And then it's safe to pry off the back of your laptop. Yeah, in my case, since I already removed all the screw, I'll just pry off gently, and then ta-da! See, the back casing is out. Yeah, your hard disk drive. Yeah, there you can see. So your hard disk drive is here. So actually there are 2 screws securing this hard disk drive. Yeah, so one is here and one is here. So what I'll do is, like I mentioned before, I already removed all these screws and kept it inside my SSD plastic box. Yeah, it's so nice of me. So I'll just disconnect this ribbon cable, which is labeled as hard disk drive. Yeah, I hope I can show you this closer. Yeah, see, HDD. Yeah, so I will just disconnect this one. So as per normal, lift up the tab and disconnect. cable. See, so once it's disconnected, once it's disconnected, can there's another 2 more screw that holds this hard disk drive. So just remove that too, as well. Like I said, keep all your screws in a safe space and make sure you put back the correct screw at the correct place. If you remove a longer screw from one end of the board or one end of the part, make sure the longer screw goes there instead of the shorter screw, because there are few dimension sizes for the screws. Don't get mixed up. So just take small notes or snap a picture before you remove everything. This is what I learned few years from opening and disassembling computers. So this is the hard disk tray. Hard disk tray which I'll mount the SSD. So see, there's a cable here. Okay, this connects to the motherboard, so make sure you dismantle this as well. So be gentle, don't use brute force. Do not use brute force. Be gentle. Be gentle. Okay. Now reminds me of my wife, always using brute force on me. I'm just kidding, guys. The amounts of beating. No. I'm just kidding, So this is your SSD, So just connect this back to your SSD, So again, the same thing. Okay. So your SSD is connected now to this adapter. This is the ribbon cable, should go to the motherboard, and then you should get a tray like this, See, this is your tray. See, this is a fail proof, I think fail safe or something design. You cannot put it in this way because it will be blocking your adapter connector. See, so you can only put it in this way, and you cannot put it this way either because the motherboard, the ribbon cable supposed to be facing this way. So always remember the orientation, where does the screw goes and everything. So I will tighten back these 2 screws here and mount this back in the laptop. Oh, see, you have to be careful. So I now had 2 screws here, so I fixed back 2 screws. So now I will mount back this to here, and then check out this ribbon cable. So how do I fix it back? Same in reverse. So make sure the tab is pushed back, and this one should go in all the way. Let me zoom in. I'm sorry for the shadow. Can you see that? And once you have pushed it all the way in, just lock the tab. Yeah, see, that wasn't hard. Yeah, simple as ABC. Okay, let's continue assembling back everything else. Yeah, so these were the screws that was inside here. Yeah, so I will fix back this. Hello, sorry, I got lost. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, you should take some pictures or video or some sketches prior before removal, because when you are assembling back, you need to ensure that these screws go into correct places. Yeah, so I will fix this screw here. These are smaller screws. Yeah, and here. Yeah. Then like I showed you before, yeah, let's lift up the tab. So once everything is secured, it's safe to fix back the covers. Yeah, sure everything is secured, all the cables are secured, hard disk doesn't move an inch. Yeah, so able to fix back your back panel. And that's all. Let me continue with the testing of the SSD. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay, see, when I go here, there are other options, right? So change boot mode settings. So now, okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, we make mistakes. Yeah, I do make mistakes. I'm not perfect, I'm not a robot. And I don't like to cover up my mistakes by deleting this part of the video and then telling you how I fixed it. Yeah, no, no, no. I'm gonna be frank with you. For every other video that I've made, whenever there's something wrong, I admit to my mistakes. Because I'm human, I'm human being. I make mistakes. My wife should understand that more, yeah. So if someone can talk to my wife about that. Enough of my wife's silly jokes. Okay, when you see change boot mode settings, just click on it. Okay, just click on it, and then boot mode is set to legacy. Yeah, secure boot is off, and so on. So I will just go to UEFI boot mode. Okay, and then secure boot is off. What is secure boot? I'm not so sure. Secure boot mode is on, off, on, off. I'll just put secure boot off for now. Yeah. Okay. Okay, do you wish to proceed? Yes. Apply the changes? Yes. Okay. Why did it go to legacy? Yeah, I'm not so sure. Okay. I'm sorry, yeah. I need to restart to check whether it boots properly right now rather than going back to the BIOS page, yeah. So as you can see, the boot up time is very, very fast. Yeah, extremely fast, 625 to 655, let's say 30 seconds versus 3 minutes. Yeah, this is incredibly fast. I'm happy, I'm happy that I got to boot up at a very, very fast pace. That's like you know uh, shouldn't see what I'm downloading in my torrent. Okay, so anyway, there's a major improvement there. So what I can see here is I have easiest to do backup and so on, but from here I will check the crystal disk mark, or yeah, read and write speed. Yeah, so I will just go to okay, the read and the write. Okay, there's interval time here. Yeah, okay, now it's running the write. Yeah, sequential write. Yeah, so honestly, compared to the previous performance, which is less than 100 MB per second, it's safe to say that this has increased the performance of the read and write speed of this C drive. Yeah, I think this will be useful if you want to play some online games and uh, multitasking, like opening a few okay, let's say if I want to open Internet Explorer, my file manager, yeah, and then what is this, Office, the multitasking will be better. So what I'm going to do with this, yeah, okay, so now I have a 1 TB hard disk drive. Yeah, so given the choice, I will make an external USB, external hard disk drive, maybe in the next video, I'll show you how to make an external hard disk drive, using the internal drive, you know. Make sure you don't throw anything away, you can use it, you got 1000 GB of space there, so don't waste it. So in the next video, I'll try to, convert this into an external external hard disk drive, so that you can save your movies, games, or whatever it is you want inside this drive. Yeah. So anyway, thank you all for watching, and please do like, share, and subscribe if you like my video. Take care, y'all. Stay safe. Have fun. Bye.